As long as they don't burn off, it's a success, right? Guys, welcome to my video. I am Hannah. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. But like, I don't know why you would subscribe because you haven't seen this video yet. But if you want to, go ahead and subscribe. Today, we will be laminating my eyebrows. I have tried this same kind of deal, but eyelashes, did the lash lift that everyone on TikTok did during quarantine. That was fun and all, but it was kind of a lot to do by yourself. And honestly, it was kind of a hot mess. And I'm scared to do it again. So if you want to watch me do that, click on my video from laminating my eyelashes. I did it. If you want to watch it, it did last a solid like 3 to 4 weeks. So it's cute and all. To do it by yourself, it's kind of painful. I don't know if it's worth it. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and say that. Anyways, I just ordered a lash lift kit off of Amazon. This is the lash lift kit that I used for my eyelashes. And I'm gonna go ahead and use it on my eyebrows today because I think you can do that. I think. This is what it looks like inside. Aroma's lash lift. Literally look up lash lift on Amazon. There will be 500. Take your pick. No one cares which one you get, just get one. $20-something, that's what I did. All the instructions are on the back and they're pretty good instructions and all. Everything is labeled like 1, 2, 3, 4. Really not that difficult to do. I don't know. I hope it's not on my eyebrows at least. I have pretty like decently I wouldn't call them thick, but I would say they're medium. They're not thin as far as that's concerned. I think they could be fluffier. I'm kind of interested in seeing how, like, because when you see it, like people's results, they're standing straight up. I'm not sure if my eyebrows are capable of that. I don't know. First off, I have to clean my eyebrows off. So I have some micellar water here. There's also a cleanser, but we're gonna go in with mine. Just to get all the dirt and oil, you know. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean my face, because why not? We're just gonna go ahead and take it all off. Next up, there's the glue. So here's the glue. Kind of looks like a cute little lip gloss. It's not. Don't be confused. We're gonna go ahead and put the glue and kind of just set my eyebrows how we want them to be. So I'm gonna put it just on there, and I'm using a spoolie from an eyebrow pencil that I don't really use anymore, and we're just going to set those puppies how we want them. It might take a second for the glue to kind of dry. I do have a mirror over here, so that's why I am looking over here. I kind of want to just fluff them up a little bit so that way we can get the stuff all in there. I will not be dyeing my eyebrows today because I feel like my eyebrows are like dark enough. They could maybe be darker, but then it may look scary. So I won't be dyeing them. Therefore, I won't be dyeing them. One of my eyebrows I feel like is a little more fluffier than the other. Like, I don't know. So we'll see how this ends up. I think I've got them glued up, shoddy. I think I just trimmed this one more than I trimmed this one. So, you know what, eyebrows, sisters not twins, sisters not twins. So we first go in. Number 1, the perm solution. You can't read that, but it's the perm solution. That smells like rotten eggs, straight up rotten eggs. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. Maybe it just needs to be mixed up a little bit. Look how cute this little bottle is though. Forgot how cute it was. I've got a good old goop on there. And I'm gonna put this on my eyebrows. And the smell is just repulsive, must we not forget. It smells like eggs. Rotten eggs. Oh, it's so bad. I hope it doesn't burn my eyebrows off, because sometimes I think my eyebrows are all I have. One of my best features. I am going to let this sit. It says for 8 to 12 minutes. Google warning, I'm going to set a timer. Hey Google, set a timer for 11 minutes. And I'm gonna put my saran wrap right on top. Why was that so hard? All right, it's gonna be cooking, so I'll see you in 11 minutes. Timer went off, been 11 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. Eyebrow is burning a little, but oh god, I just can't get over how bad it smells. So, put my hair up because we're getting to business now. Next, we're putting on number 2 fixation. So this one doesn't have a smell, but if I could describe the smell, it would smell like your attic. Like it just smells like dirt. We're gonna put this on there. I think this is supposed to like set it. Also, I think I'd say that this perm kit is probably good for 2 uses. Just want to make sure I get a generous amount on there. That is probably good. Make sure everything's standing up the way I want it. Look how like huge my eyebrows look. And I think I took off a lot of the product, so I'm gonna scoop this back on there. She's on there. We're going to bake these puppies for another 11 minutes. Okay, my timer just went off. A little close up. They still have a bunch of crap on them, but now clean eyelashes and use the nutrition. Okay, so now I'm going to put more micellar water, cellular, and I'm gonna just clean off my eyebrows. Get all the goods off of it. I'm gonna take a little bit of this, this is what it looks like. Dip it in there and put it on my eyebrows. I think you pretty much from here are free to do whatever you want. I'm gonna let this sit on here for a little bit before I decide to wipe it off also. And then we're gonna comb up my eyebrows to just kind of see what progress we made. Also, I'm so mad that I didn't take a before and after, but you know, it is what it is. My eyebrows are still intact, so that's good at least. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little bit of more micellar water on here. I know if I say that word one more time, you have permission to slap me. And I'm just gonna kind of rub that oil off of my eyebrows. And really, I think that's it. Like, that's such an anticlimactic ending to this, but like, I don't know what more I can say. So my overall kind of review is that, yeah, maybe they are a little more fluffier. I will say they feel less like coarse. Maybe if I lay on the floor. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna say this overall experience, I can't tell that much of a difference. And that's just being honest. I know I did something because it worked when I did it on my eyelashes, but like, I don't know quite what it did. Like, overall, worth trying. Can't say it was life-changing, you know? They're cute. They might have helped a little bit, and I'm sorry to disappoint, really am. Maybe I don't have the right kind of eyebrows. Maybe they're not like flimsy enough, not flimsy, wispy enough. I don't know. You tell me, do they look longer? Maybe I'll watch this video back and be like, you're an idiot. Overall, let me know what you think about this experience, if you've tried it before and if you felt like there was a difference, or if you thought it was not worth your time. Sorry this wasn't the most exciting video, but thanks for watching if you watched all the way to this point. It was definitely a lot of fun, and I'm gonna sit here and continue to comb my eyebrows until I'm in love with them. I don't know, they look cute. But did they look cute before? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, comment. Literally just comment and say hi, and I'll say hi back. I'm begging you. This has been fun. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.